Hi again guys, on a wild camp with Jeffiow, 12 Oaks again. Yarmouth down there. It's quite warm, a little bit of breeze, but got my pop-up tent there. Sleeping bag. Haven't got around to getting a blow-up mattress yet, but it's lovely sort of spongy grass here, so should be pretty comfortable. Gary IOW might be joining us later. There's Jeff there. Little stuff hanging up. Just got his basher up there. Look. He's I hope you're not making a spoon or I'm going home.
No, I'm not making a spoon.
Got the fire ready. Bit of firewood. Stacks and stacks of wood here. Here's Jeff set up. Bloody hell, looks like a palace in there. Look. One thing I do need is a blow up bed. So, it's a very nice afternoon. What time we got now? 5 to 4 on the 5th of September. It's still lovely and warm. We'll make the most of these warm days. Only be another month or so and it'll be bloody freezing. Got a new chair, a bit of comfort, creature comforts.
Yeah, you need a chair.
Yeah.
That's your cooking stick done.
Just got his cooking stick there. Look. Yeah.
And then over the fire. Lovely.
Yeah. So lovely afternoon. Would be a better way to spend it. So we'll get the fire going and that soon, and get some grub on. Catch you later. Jeff digging a new fire pit, put it in a little different spot this time to let the other area recover, so I'd have 4 or 5 fires on it. A new area, lovely.
This soil is so soft.
Yeah, still years and years of leaves and wood in it.
Yeah. Try and get this turf off in one. Got black as your hat down here. Look at that soil there, folks.
Yeah, something else in it.
Beautiful.
Oh, Jeff's always, he's even gardening when he's at his leisure time. Like. Oh yeah, lovely.
There we are, look folks.
Come off a treat, that one.
One complete turf.
Sod it now.
Look at that, beautiful.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
So we're sticking to one side.
Yeah, it's all held together nicely, isn't it?
And then all we've got to do now is dig this soil out and get the fire going.
Moving all the soil so we can stick it back. Nice deep, get them embers.
It's like cutting peat, this is. Beautiful. Folks, this will be filled in the morning, turf put back on,
Yeah,
leave no trace.
that's it.
There we are, folks.
Lovely.
One fire pit.
Lovely, yeah.
Get rid of the little bits of flint because these can go bang and
Bang in the night.
splinters come out and hit you in the face. You don't want that when you're camping. So remove any obviously bits of stone. Toss them out of the way. There we go.
Mm, spot on.
Ready for the fire.
Mm.
Beautiful.
Your chair come in handy after all.
Aye.
Your bushcraft chair come in handy after all.
It did.
Yeah, that's that there, guys.
Perfect.
And you'll soon be filled with embers. We get some cooking done. Be all put back. You won't even know it was there by the morning. Spot on.
Mix that up in. I'll do, folks, I'll put a little raft of wood in the bottom, like so. So I don't put this lovely dry tinder on the damp soil. Big, like so. Chuck a spark on that. Away it goes. Start adding some other bits of timber once that starts to burn. Right in around the edge of the pit like this as well. That's burning already there, viewers. There we are, folks, there's the fire there. Starting to go, so we've got a lovely bed of ashes on with the burgers and gammon steaks.
Ooh.
Lovely.
Yeah, some nice ashes there, mate.
Yeah. Should be ready for get some grub on the go, yeah.
Mm, absolutely.
Yeah, it's just gone 10 to 5.
Yeah.
Tea time.
Yeah, tea time. Lovely fire pit that.
bit of that oil in there.
Put a couple of logs along the top.
Yeah, could do, yeah. It's a good idea. I'll just leave that to get heated up for a minute.
Make it like a little 2-log grill.
Yeah. Also gonna do a fried egg as well, viewers. That'd be nice. Like that, folks. And also here, viewers, to go with it, as we're by the side of a railway line, got some Thomas the Tank spaghetti shapes.
Ooh.
As we're by a railway line, look folks, we'll get some Thomas the Tank Engine pasta shapes. Lovely.
Ooh.
All little trains and bits of track in there, viewers. Look at that.
It's a track. Signal boxes and sleepers.
Can't find the fat controller.
He's in there somewhere.
No, he's not. I'm not going to stay there very easily, folks.
No.
I'll try and rearrange that. It's starting to smoulder now there, so. There we are, folks. So we'll all let that in the top of the cook. Look at that. Thomas the Tank Engine spaghetti shapes, gammon and a fried egg.
It's going to be a nice meal.
Oh, that's going to be lovely though. Start the bubble now. Ooh.
Got his egg on the go there, look. Ooh, nice little meal coming on there.
Gammon's done, viewers, just frying the egg off there. The Thomas the Tank Engine things are heated through. That's going to be lovely.
Sound of a fried egg. Oh, 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 oh.
Lovely.
Making me hungry.
That can finish off now in the residual heat of the pancakes. Look at that. Oh, I've got lovely egg. Goes in there. Oh, bit of white. Oh, don't matter. Thomas the Tanks are done, viewers. Mmm. Look at that. Absolutely delicious, folks. Well, I'm going to tuck into that. Mmm.
Oh. Lovely. Does look nice. There you go, guys. Got my chopped onion and my homegrown RG lemon chilies mixed in.
Yeah, doing chili burgers.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Can now mess in whatever that is.
Look at that, viewers. Beautiful.
Yeah, sweat them down. All that lovely chili pieces in there.
That'd make a nice little. Are they very hot, these ones?
No, not at all.
No.
They're sort of medium to slightly mild, stroke medium.
Yeah.
RG lemon.
Lovely.
There's 2 yellow ones in there, ripe, and 1 green one.
Yeah, lovely. Look at those few little flecks of chilli in there.
Yeah, that'll be on my burgers. Let's put them down and get a spoon.
There are the folks.
Put it down.
Glad you sweat them down there.
Lovely.
Look at that, viewers. Absolutely yummy, delicious. They'll be.
Yep.
Very, very nice indeed.
There we go then, guys. Onions are nearly done. So I'll take them off the heat in a minute and get some burgers on, and then I can reheat them through and load up those buns. Lovely.
Filming this with 2 cameras. I've got my camera in my left hand and Dave's in my right hand here. There he is, look. There he is. There's the onions, done to perfection. And the burgers there. I must say that does look delicious, viewers. Lovely.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Look at that, viewers. Beautiful. Well, viewers, Dave's burger and onion are done there.
Alright. 2 slices of cheese in the middle.
Oh yeah.
Onions.
Look at your chili onions there. Mild chili though, so
Got the burger on top.
on she goes. Ho, ho, ho.
Lovely.
Look at that, viewers. Jesus.
It's a burger.
That's what you call a burger.
I think I'll rip that off.
Yeah, rip that off. Straight on top. That's better, mate. He's got a double decker there. Look,
Yeah, old McDonald's.
Mhm.
Oh, fucking hot.
Yeah, nice.
Delicious.
Lovely. You still got some onions in the tin there. There's less tin there, folks.
Yeah, scoop them out later.
Yeah. Yeah, enjoying that. Absolutely delicious, lovely, and last but not least,
Oh, Jeff's stoked up the fire again. A few more loads and we'll get some more grub on. Lovely. That burger was absolutely delicious. Oh, that's the proof. Oh, dear me. Got quite a bit of a kick off them chilies. Just a job. There guys, fire's going lovely. Sun is going down. Not much light left. The sky will bruise and we shall be forced to camp. Just have his cider, look. Christ.
beautiful. Lovely grub in it, Dave.
Yeah, it's a lovely bit of grub, still stuffed. Old mega burger. So, yeah, probably about another hour of light left. Nights are drawing in now. So, probably be my last video, or second to last. We shall see you again shortly.